معاك يا دكتور.
Okay. Now this is concept, application 3.1, page 155. Okay, let's draw the problem given to us. It is a shaft. Okay, fixed here. The length of this hollow shaft is 1.5 meter. Okay, the outer and the inner diameters. The inner is 40 millimeter. The outer is 60 millimeter. So Ri is simply 0.002 meter. R out, this is Ri, this is R out, Ri. R out is simply 0.03 millimeter. The allowable, this means the maximum shear, allowable shear is 120 megapascal. What is needed, he is asking what would be the T maximum. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply the equation that we just learned. The equation for the shear stress, now we have a torque. This is the torque he's asking for. What is this torque, maximum torque? That will create this much of a stress. Okay, so the stress, shear stress in torsional problem like this is simply T R over J. Okay, so simply we need to find R and J. Now if we look at this problem from this view, let's call this side view, we will have the stress distribution as follows. We have some stress here, and of course start from zero here, and we have some stress there. So it's like this. So this is the distribution of stress, shear stress. So this is the tau maximum. Maximum shear would be here in the outside. So we know R is going to be R out. What we need now to calculate J. Okay, so this, we know this. This is given to us. This is needed. We know R. We need to find J. What is J, ya shabab? J is the polar moment of inertia. It's pi over 2 C or R, say, out to the power 4 minus R inner to the power 4. Okay, can someone help me to find this value? So pi over 2 times
0.03
0.03
the power 4
to the power 4
minus 0.02
to the power 4.
1.021
1.021
في 10 السالب 6
times 10 to the power minus 6 and the unit meter to the power 4.
the power 4.
Okay. Now we find J. Let's go and use this equation. This equation simply now is 120 times 10 to the power 6. This is a giving to us here. This is tau maximum. Is equal to torque is missing times R maximum. R maximum is this 0.03 divided by 1.021 times 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, what would be the torque here? الوحدات طبعا نيوتن متر. طيب شباب لاحظوا انه الاسترس هذا الان ماكسيمم لما عشان نحل كم افترضنا هذا التاو ماكسيمم؟
120.
120. This is 120. What would be the stress here يا شباب? If the shear is proportional to the radius, this radius is 30 millimeter. This radius is 20 millimeter. So what would be the stress here?
ناخذ التورك ونعوض بالراديوس الجديد ويطلع لنا ستريس.
كم تطلع؟
الحين احسب.
في احد يقول لنا اجابه سريعه؟ Can someone predict this value quickly؟ بدون التعويض. يا شباب اذا هذا 120 ميجا والراديوس 30 كم حيكون هنا؟ اذا هذا لينير الخط، هنا زيرو، هنا قيمه، هنا سهله دي.
80 ميجا باسكال.
ايوه كيف عرفت انه 80 صح؟
20 في 120 على 30.
ايوه خلاص. اذا هذه 2/3 ال 120. It is 2/3 of the 120, so it's going to be 80 megapascal.